Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i. We have two options how to enter prank mode. The first one, if your earbuds do not connect with another devices, you can only open the charging case and your earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. You know it by the LED light what blinking white. If I go to the settings and to the Bluetooth, let's make it again. I should see them as a device list. Right here we have them, but we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of each earbud, right here and right here, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold both of these touch areas until the LED light start blinking white like what I have right now, and you will enter to prank mode automatically, and now you can pair them. You will see also them at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.